98.5 FM, your gateway to innovations and learning. This is the sport news of today. I am Adebambi John. Choosing your battle, pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front. Super Eagles J-Hubs for the World Cup qualifications. Chelsea secured a dramatic last-minute wins. Sierra Leone announced suspended comeback. Big shout out to our ever-inspiring Professor Kisoya. Today is your special day. We are celebrating you. Thank you for your dedication, brilliance, and the life you keep touching. From all of us here at Edtech 108.0 FM, your gateway to innovation and learning, we are saying happy birthday, Prof. May your days be filled with joy, peace, and endless love. We love you. Open. When I'm asking you, as an person, as an host on this show, so why do you have that mentality of having sex before marriage? And if your relationship later collapse, are you getting? And you did not eventually get married to that guy, what will happen? What will you tell the man you want to get married to? What will you tell him? That I lost my virginity because I'm dating a stupid guy?